Hey everybody. Just when you thought Spectrum offers weren't bad enough for internet-only customers like me, now they want you to switch over your mobile phone service to them. Yeah, guys, have a look at this. Now, this isn't the only mail offer I've gotten from Spectrum since I made my last video. Oh, trust me, I have a whole stack of them in the living room. But tonight we're going to focus just on this one here. It says, limited time offer. Oh yeah, limited time offers, they say. Save up to 40% on your mobile bill. See how Spectrum makes it happen. Oh, okay, let's have a look inside. Please contact us about your account ending in blah blah blah. Plus, ask us how to save on your mobile bill. Oh, look, Spectrum TV Choice. I've heard about this like 100 times already. Dear Nick, I'd like to invite you to discover a new way of streaming live TV. With Spectrum TV Choice, customize your own TV lineup for the low price of $21.99 per month for only 2 years. It's a streaming TV plan tailored to you. Pick only 10 live TV channels from a list of over 50 popular networks, including AMC, FX, Bravo, E, Spectrum News, Animal Planet, USA, Disney Channel, CMT, CNN, ESPN, and much more. Your local broadcast channels such as ABC, CBS, Fox, NBC, and PBS are included. Download the free Spectrum TV app to stream live TV and up to 6,000 free on-demand choices. Once you download the Spectrum TV app, log in with your credentials and instantly start streaming your favorite channels at home and on the go. No installation fees, no cable box required, no appointment needed, and no contracts. Spectrum TV Choice is TV that finally puts you in control. Start watching TV just the way you want. Call today to try Spectrum TV Choice free for 7 days. And yeah, here's a good one. Hurry! This offer is only available until October 17th, 2018. But the truth is, in a month or so, I'll have another one of these in the mail. Yep, I'll have another one of these in the mail, offering the same thing, saying, "Oh, hurry by this date, or you may not get it." I tell you, this is a bunch of crap. They send this stuff out in the mail. It seems like it's almost every week I get something in the mail from these lovely people. And oh yeah, introducing Spectrum Mobile. Switch now and save up to 40% on your mobile bill. Spectrum Internet subscription is required. See details on back of this letter. So let's say for your typical double play subscriber who has TV and internet, they're already charging like $150 a month for TV and internet. Now they want you to add your cell phone to them as well. they want to have your home phone. They want to have your cell phone. They want to have your TV, and they want to have your internet. Man, what next? Your electricity? Jeez, come on. Bundling is not something I care for doing. For TV, I've been considering going with YouTube TV. Yeah, it's more expensive per month, but this is only an introductory offer. There's no telling what this will go up to. And with YouTube TV, you get a whole lot more channels, and you get unlimited DVR storage, but it's only available for like a year, so your recordings are only there for like a year. But still, you get all these other features for $40 a month. And these people are only giving you 10 live TV channels outside of your locals. That's not such a good deal. No, it's not. Spectrum, you got to realize why these people are cutting the cord with you. It's not because they hate the coax cable, but rather the provider that's supplying the signal. The supplier that's supplying that cable TV signal, how much they charge you, how much they charge the customers per month for that service. That's why they cut the cord. It's not because they hate the cable. So, yeah. Introducing all new Spectrum Mobile. Switch now and save up to 40% on your mobile bill. Enjoy free nationwide talk and text on the nation's largest, most reliable 4G LTE network. That sounds like Verizon marketing there. It's probably using Verizon's network for all I know. All you pay is for the data you use every month. Choose a plan that's right for you. Unlimited data plan, $45 a line, including free talk and text, or buy the gig plan, $14 per gigabyte. Now, these prices may not seem like too bad of a deal, but the key thing is, in the fine print, Here's a good focus there. Offer good through October 17th, 18. Subject to change. So, yeah, no contracts, but you do have to have internet service through Spectrum. Yeah, best network. Yeah, I'm assuming it's Verizon network. I wouldn't know unless they say it here in the fine print, which I'm not sure about. Best devices. Best value. Well, that's what they say about everything. Yeah, they're the best value and stuff like that. But as a former Time Warner Cable customer, I can tell you from my own experience that Spectrum is not a good value. They are a very uptight company that does not work with the customer to offer a decent deal. My parents' triple play bundle with Time Warner Cable back in like 2013 was like $120-something a month. TV, internet, and home phone. Now, Spectrum is charging $150 a month just for TV and internet. And get this, my parents are still on the old internet plan. They're still on a 50 megabit plan. Not the 200 meg plan, but on a 50 megabit plan. And they're getting preferred TV. And no, they don't have any HBO or Showtime subscriptions. They do, however, have they have two set-top boxes and one digital adapter. And they are paying $150 for that. $150. Heck, I think the only thing that's really preventing my parents from cutting the cord is still need to run an Ethernet cable to the garage out back. So my dad can watch TV without the need of a coax cable. I mean, there's other ways of getting internet service out there, but I'm just saying. But anyways, yeah. So when you thought it was bad enough to be a Spectrum internet-only consumer, you're already paying $65 a month for the internet, while people streets down from us are getting AT&T Gigapower for like not too much more and getting gigabit speeds. So Spectrum is charging $65 a month for internet, for 200 meg internet, and they're charging $150 for TV internet to those who subscribe to both the services, roughly. And now they want you to add your mobile phone. And I'll tell you, why would anybody want to do that? That's just my opinion. Yeah, Spectrum, thank you for ruining Time Warner Cable. You did a great job. And Time Warner Cable was pretty bad as it was, but they were actually getting better up until their final days. And then Charter bought them out, and goodbye. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.